Reels just feel different when the music is synced to the images. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync multiple images to music in your next Instagram Reel. Hi, I'm Ida, a corporate storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level, but when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. So I have tons of photos from my summer vacation and I want to turn them into a reel. To do that, I'm going to start by going into my profile, clicking the plus button and starting a new reel. Now it's going to bring you to this screen, which allows you to go to templates, or you can add your photos one at a time. So if you click on just a photo, it's just going to let you add one photo. You're going to go to next and you're going to keep adding. However, there's something that's going to make this so much easier for you. Instead, click the select button and then select the photos that you want to add. I suggest, because it's going to sync it to music for you, I suggest adding the photos in the order that you want to add them in the reel, because changing the order later is going to make you need to do some more editing if you want it to still be synced to the music. So pay attention to the order that you add the photos. A good thing to consider when adding photos is to go from like a wide shot to a close-up shot, because that's going to allow you to have more variety and it's going to switch between one and the next in your video. So I'm going to add a bunch of photos. So I have my photos selected and I only added 14 photos, but you can add up to 50 different photos. Once you have them selected, you press the arrow and it's going to auto-generate the reel for you synced to music. So your music options are going to be down here. You can skip between different songs, and as it skips between different songs, it's going to sync it to that music for you. The thing to consider when syncing music, typically if the song is very slow, the clips are going to be longer, and if the song is fast, the clips are going to be shorter. I suggest listening to how the music sounds with your videos to make sure it's something that goes well together. So let's say I like this one, and I can press the arrow going next, and then it's going to allow me to get more control than I would if I was going to simply make a template. With a template, that's it. You just get to pick the photos and you have no more control. But by doing it this way, you can click on Edit Video, and then you can see all my photos right down here. I can individually click on any of them, change the length of them, and just readjust them how I want them to look. Once I'm done, everything's done, I just press the next button. If I save it before I post it, it's going to allow me to save the reel without music. But if I want to save it with music, then it's not going to allow me to save it until after I post it. So say I want to save it without music. I'm just going to click on, I went back, I'm just going to click on the photo itself of the reel, press that down button, save, and then it's going to save it for me without music. Next up, I can go next. I can share this reel. I shared it without any captions or anything, I just shared the reel. If I want to save it with music, I just have to wait for it to post to my feed. There we go, it posted. So now I go to that airplane at the bottom, and then I go to download, and it's going to download that reel for me with music. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business, so download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace!